part 3, the letter O's. So with these, they're actually not similar to English sounds at all. None of them is the O sound in English. First O, the sound that needs to be produced is R, R. So can you see my mouth shape? It's very round and the pitch is also quite high actually. Some people say that it sounds similar to A sound. Could be, but the most important part is you need to make your mouth round. R, R. Okay? Second O is the O with the hat. O, O. You also need to round the mouth, but you need to make it smaller, while R is like open and large. But this one is O, O. Okay? O with a hook or the tail is So completely different to the other O's. This one doesn't require you to shape the mouth at all. Actually make it relaxed and lazy mouth. Okay? One more time. We have the first one is R, R. Second one, O, O. Third one, One more time. R, O, Alright, let's practice with each letter. With the first one, we have có, có. Next one, ngon, ngon. Next one, con, con. Next one, bò, bò. Next one, mọt, mọt. Next one, lon, lon. Next letter is with the O with the hat. Let's try. First one is ô tô, ô tô. Second one, phố, phố. Next, bốn, bốn. Next, một, một. Next, không, không. And the last one, and now is the O with a tail. Remember to relax the mouth. First one, hơn, hơn. Next one, lớn, lớn. Cơm, cơm. Lợn, lợn. Phở, phở. Mời, mời. Okay, let's do more practice. Now, I have the words and you have to guess which O I'm saying. We have có, cố, cỡ. Alright, which one am I saying? Cố, cố. Which one is that? It's the first O, the O with the hat, or the O with the tail. It is O with the hats. Okay, so we have có, cô, cơ. Which one am I saying? Cô, cô. So is it the first O, the O with the hat, or the O with the tail? It is the O with the hat. Very good. Cô. Next we have bón, bốn, bớn. Which one am I saying? Bốn, bốn. Is it number 1, 2, or 3? It's still number 2. Very good. Now, how about com, côm, cơm? Which one I'm saying? Cơm, cơm. Is it? Number 3. Very good. Cơm. Next, we have cho, cho, cho. Which one I'm saying? Cho, cho. It is the first one. Cho. Okay, let's try one more. We have lon, lôn, lơn. Which one I'm saying? Lon, lon. Is it? The first one. Very good. Let's do it a little bit more difficult. Now, I don't give you any words. I'm just saying a random one and you have to guess. My first one is cho, cho. Yes, it's number 1. Second one, cơm, cơm. Number 3, bốn, bốn. Number 2. And how about hơn, hơn? It is? Yeah, the O with the tail. How about cỏ, cỏ? It's the first one. How about phố, phố? It's a O with a hat. Last one, yeah? How about con, con? It's number 1. Okay, so remember with the O's, please be careful how you shape your mouth and none of them sounds the same like in English. Okay? Again, we have O with nothing is A. O with a hat is O. And O with a hook is One more time. A, O, Okay. Thanks for listening. I hope you had a good time and I'll see you in the next lesson. Cảm ơn. Hẹn gặp lại.